Welcome to this video about GhostMarket, a unique decentralized NFT marketplace where you can buy, sell, and create NFTs across different blockchains like Near and Polkadot. GhostMarket allows users to trade digital art, collectibles, and other blockchain-based assets with ease. The marketplace has a user-friendly interface, low transaction fees, and a variety of features designed for both creators and collectors. To begin, simply connect your wallet to the platform. GhostMarket supports multiple wallets, including MetaMask and Near Wallet, giving you flexibility and security when interacting with the site. After logging in, you'll find an intuitive dashboard where you can browse through a wide range of NFTs. You can filter by category, price, and blockchain to find exactly what you're looking for, whether you're interested in digital art, rare collectibles, or other blockchain-based assets. GhostMarket has something for everyone. If you're a creator, you can easily mint your own NFTs and list them for sale. The platform supports both auction and fixed-price sales, so you have options for how to sell your creations. Plus, the marketplace ensures that your NFTs are displayed with high-quality images and detailed information, so buyers know exactly what they're getting. The fees on GhostMarket are relatively low compared to other major NFT platforms, making it an attractive choice for both buyers and sellers. Transactions are processed quickly, and the platform supports cross-chain functionality, allowing you to buy and sell NFTs across various blockchain networks. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Back to GhostMarket. One of the key features of the platform is its focus on providing a decentralized experience. This means that the platform isn't controlled by a central authority, giving you more control over your transactions and assets. GhostMarket is designed to be accessible and user-friendly, with a clean and simple interface that makes buying and selling NFTs easy for beginners and advanced users alike. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just getting started in the world of NFTs, GhostMarket offers the tools you need to navigate this growing space. If you want to maximize your NFT trading experience, GhostMarket offers features like bidding, notifications for auctions, and the ability to follow your favorite creators or projects. It's also worth noting that the platform is constantly evolving, with new features and improvements being added regularly to enhance the user experience. If you're looking for a decentralized, cross-chain NFT marketplace with low fees and a great selection of digital assets, GhostMarket is definitely worth exploring. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more NFT tips and marketplace reviews.